Hello, PulzWave here. Just wanting to demonstrate my LED logo that is synced to the DJ equipment that I have here using reading the database of Engine DJ. It is aware of the cue points that I prepared per track. It knows the beat grid. It's pretty cool. It knows it's perfectly synced to the track I'm playing, despite speeding it up and stuff like that. I will show you a few things that I can override using my AKAI MIDI controller here. Example, I can fire the backlight for this one. Controls my DMX lights as well. Now we are close to a break, which is I mark it as a B in my hotcues. And then the logo will go to another phase. There we go. It's in sync with basically the energy of the song, right? So as it is progressing, I will cue up a laser. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? You can also pause, and then even during a backspin, it knows when to light up this stuff. It's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.